In this video, I will show you how you can fix the no service problem for your SIM card on any Android phone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center on your Android phone, and from here, just tap on the airplane mode icon. Now, after you turn on airplane mode, now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh. Now, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then for the next step, just use any SIM card ejection tool and enter the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your Android phone. Now just extract the SIM card tray, and from here just remove the SIM card. And after that, just look for any scratches on the SIM card. And also you can use this SIM card on any other device to check if the issue is with your SIM card or not. After you've done that, now just insert the SIM card back into the tray and place the tray back into your smartphone. After you do that, then just wait for a couple of seconds for the SIM card to activate. Then check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Mobile Network. From here, just select your SIM card, and after that, just make sure you enable data roaming and enable VoLTE calls. After that, just tap on Preferred Network Type and make sure you select 4G. Then on this page, just tap on Access Point Names and tap on the three dots over here. Now just select Reset Access Point Names. Now in some devices, it might not say Access Point Names. It might be called APN on your device. Just either select Access Point Names or APN and reset its settings. After that, just go back and do the same for your other SIM card if you're using two SIM cards with your Android phone. Now after you've done that, and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page, and in the search bar just search this. Now just tap on Reset Phone, and from this menu just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Now just enter the lock screen passcode of your Android phone. After that, just select Reset, and by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Android phone. You'll just reset all the network settings of your smartphone. Then finally, just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Android phone. To do that, just press and hold the power button of your Android phone until you open the power menu. But for example, if the power button of your Android phone is mapped to launch the digital assistant instead of the power menu, then in that case, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And once you see the power menu on the screen, just swipe up and select Restart. And once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your Android phone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the no service problem on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.